it does. Yeah. Can you find it? Hello, homemaking friends. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Amy, and here on this channel, I like to share homemaking, motherhood, homeschooling, all the things. Okay, so the last couple of days were really crazy. We went through Hurricane Lala here in Hawaii. I am grateful that is the only thing that happened. I am praying for the people that are on the Big Island that lost homes, lost lives, lost loved ones. Hawaii got hit pretty good with that hurricane. As for our home, we lost power for a couple of days, so it was sweltering in here. We didn't have any AC, no laundry, no nothing, so everything exploded. So yesterday I was doing 4 loads of laundry. I wasn't able to upload a video yesterday because, you know, there's no power, so I can't upload anything. So I'm a little behind this week, obviously, from the circumstances. And unfortunately, we lost everything in our fridge. We had just gone shopping a few days before, and we lost a good amount of money in the refrigerator. And we are literally moving out of this house in just a couple of weeks' time. And I still need to do some decluttering for the move. I only got through my children's 0 to 3 month clothing, and I need to get through the rest of it so I can actually put it all away and just stick it in the garage. I don't know if I'll get through it today, but we shall try. Are you helping? What else you got made? He made everything. Good job, Mimi. Ready? Say, I work together with my family. Yay! Sometimes I feel lazy, or would rather have it lazy, but I know in the end that my family is my friend. Okay, again. I went to the wood and got it. I sat me down to look for it and brought it home because I couldn't find it. That's right.
Let's do it again. I went home because I found it.
Can you find it? Then there's 7 days.
They saw many houses near signs for sale, but they liked best an old house tucked in rusty ways and an old owl blinking at it. Soon, there was much hustle and bustle around the old house.
Uh-oh, did it like different things, huh?
But
There'd be a lot of pink, huh?
And pink.
Yeah, it's pink. That's right. You want to paint the house pink?
Yeah. Pink.
Oh, cupcake. Here's a cupcake one.
Yeah.
You gonna do a coloring one or a drawing lines?
I'm doing it so coloring. I got all these.
Sure. Which one do you want? You want red, or yellow, or purple? Yes. Can you draw a line? Or you can color it? Cone.
On.
Yay! We did. High five. High five. Okay. Yay! Now you can go play. Such a deep washer. Ugh. You know what? Sometimes all I get to is just sorting the laundry into piles by person, and then I just end up folding it and putting it away later, or I just place it all in my unaesthetically pleasing hamper right there, and I finish it the next day. But so that's all I have the energy for right now. And now I'm just gonna get to do some editing for YouTube and do a thumbnail and hopefully upload a video a day late. And then I gotta reset down there because I have a little one who isn't napping, and she's almost 4, she's not napping, and I'm just gonna bring her down with me. She can help me clean up after I get some stuff done for YouTube. But honestly, I'm just really thankful that I have laundry going right now because it was very eye-opening to not have a washing machine for 2 days. I'm like, I have no clothes. We rely a lot on technology. You know, we couldn't charge anything. We even had portable fans, but in order to charge them, we had to go into our car to charge them. So I'm really thankful to the good Lord that the power is back on, and it's just a reminder to be thankful for the little things of just that we use and have every day. What you got going on here?
I made these on top, and these are flowers on top of these.
Wow, that's beautiful. I love your quiet time creations.
These are the flowers.
Ooh. Are you gonna build something else while mommy does some stuff on the computer?
Yeah.
Okay. She's so cute. She was just in there. She kind of came in and grabbed me after only 2 minutes, but before getting irritated, I was like, okay, what do you want to show me? And then I went in there and she showed me that little magnet tile creation. So that was really cute. So I'm glad I did not get frustrated instead. Look at this monstrosity. Oh my word. So I am definitely going to have her come down here and help after I do a little bit of work. Got my timer set to keep me on track, and pretty much when the timer is over, she'll hear the timer and she's able to come down. So that way she can come be with me and I don't have to stress out about trying to have a completely quiet space. All right, we have reset the home, got some little bit of work done. There was a lot of interruptions, but we're working through it. So we are still learning how to do quiet time since she just recently dropped her nap. And she's trying to help me hold the tripod right now. Thank you for your help, little one. I love it, thank you. So I'm just gonna conclude today's vlog here. Thank you so much for following along, and thank you so much for following along on the day of homemaking and just trying to prepare for this move. The whole hurricane thing really caught me off guard, and just really looking forward to the PCS, honestly. I am looking forward to ripping off the Band-Aid, so to speak, and move to San Diego where all of our family is. We are very excited to go back. Also really sad to leave, but we will see you in the next video. Bye, friends.
Bye, friends.